Hey guys, welcome back to WebTech tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how we can unsend messages in Google Chat. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be updated with our new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the web browser and search Google Chat and log in to your account. To unsend the message, first of all open the chat and type some message and press send. Now if you move your cursor to message, you will see that three dot. You have to click on that and you will see delete option. You have to click on delete and again delete. Now your message is unsent. This is how you unsend message in Google Chat. Hope you find this video helpful. If so, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.